Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
So our lesson for today is all about techniques of environmental scanning. So when we say environmental scanning, what does it mean? Ideas. Any ideas? Environmental scanning. Anyone? Any two? Mr. Bio.
Techniques of environmental scanning, sir. Ang idea, sir, is all about makita sa digital, sir. Kung sa'yo nakita sa environment, sir, nalabay yung mga bukro, yung napita, o sa din napita. So, more on sa scanning, sir, sa using the eye, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bio. Okay, next slide, please. Know what is environmental scanning? Okay, environmental scanning is a process where deep analysis of an environment is done in order to learn about new opportunities and threats on the basis of which new strategies can be prepared. Next, please. It is a systematic process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting external information which meets agawas, including market trends, competitor actions, and political economic shifts to inform strategic decision-making, identify opportunities and threats, and enhance long-term planning. So, environmental scanning is all about the business nga aware ka sa market trends. For example, unsa yung ron, sikat, di ba, iPhones, gadgets, competitor actions, unsa may kasagaran kan, competitor sa iPhones, Samsungs, other brand phones, and then political data, economic. What happens if the political or politics is in effect of the business? And then strategic decision making. So what should you do? What should you do when your business is in low productivity? And then identify opportunities. You have to find opportunities to make your business grow. Threats, and then threats, of course, if you are a business-minded, lagi na i-make contract, and then threats na pwede may tawag sa imong business like lugi, saba, ebidensya, and lastly, and enhance long-term planning. So, you have to be careful when planning para yung product or business is malagog yun for a long term. Okay, next please. Okay, number one technique is the, okay, please read all together.
Environmental scanning is conducted to learn about the latest trend of the industry and the lurking threats so that opportunities can be exploited and precautionary steps can be taken to reduce the impact.
What is the main purpose of research? If I may ask. Research, nga naman important yung research sa business. And ideas. Okay. Why is research important in the business context?
One, sir, to gain information.
About what?
About sa business.
Okay, another. Why do we need research? What is the purpose of research? Again. Ideas. Okay, like in our subject, this is the research one. Ganun kinailangan ito mag-research for?
Compliance.
Ha?
Nagawa ng gawin sa ginagawa.
Research gap. Isa pa. Problem. Isa pa. Solution. Isa pa. Innovation.
Visible
Ha?
visibility.
Okay, visibility. Isa?
Study, sir.
Visible kasi yan, sir, especially sa kanang mag-market ka, syempre hindi mo mag-research kung visible ka means kung visible,
Visible.
PM.
Visible. Okay.
Maganda ka, visibility study kung if ever ba na mulang bumuflourish ng iyong business.
Okay, give us okay, tama siya, no? So, these are the first techniques sa environmental scanning. Okay, research is an old method that has been used by various industries to learn about the industry in detail. Even there is a different department named as Research and Development. Sa itong school, sa tawag, Research and Innovation?
Study.
Ha?
Are you study?
Magamit ang research din eh.
Gabi.
Okay. Or R&D, Department to Conduct of Research. Okay, next, the second step. Getting the opinions of experts. Now, why do we need to get some opinions from experts? For
Improvement.
improvement. Isa pa? Gusto na yun daw. Why do we need opinions from experts?
To have proper guidance.
Ato
So
kasi.
guidelines and opinion and advices based on our research.
Okay, thank you. So, anong kita na naman tayo advices sa atong research? Anong na? Natin advisors sa atong research.
Sila ba expert?
Expert from,
That field of research.
okay, muli siya sa atong discussion which is ang business same as why do we need kasagaran niya business minded ka. Siyempre, nakita ko ng vlog sa akong Facebook katong mag-interview siya mga dato or mga millionaires, bantay ba na? Okay, that is the purpose of that. So in this method, the management of the organization take the opinion experts who have deep knowledge about the industry. So, isa lang mas expert, siyempre, mas tagal silang knowledge and then experience. And can easily decode its latest trends and recognize the first appearance of the opportunity. Okay, anyway.
Thank you.
Namin nakatunan mo sa kay. What are those two techniques, gani?
Research.
Research and
Asking questions.
Super experts.
okay, why do we need those techniques? Why is it important in a business context? Okay,
Order
Jordan.
sir nga, kung kinahanglan ang research o advice expert kayo, research ka kung say kuha niya ka area sa mga sa magpayam, so nagkatungkod na ka kung say bubaton sa imong negosyo, and nagtambag sa expert na ganyan nagkuna na sa kana na yung negosyo, kay mostly ang uban na is kapipisaw, nalundog na sa kana na negosyo, so or negosyo doon, may advice sa usa ka expert ito, na dili madal ang imong negosyo.
Okay, so once is the video. Okay now. So later on, next reporter, want to show discuss more about techniques, SWOT, and then the best analysis. So any questions? Wala na? No questions.
Ang question si Diandy, sir.
Isa man?
Wala, sir.
Okay. So I hope nakagain mo knowledge, bisan gamay ang discussion, that would be okay.